To integrate Square payments with Shopify, you will need to have a Square account and a Shopify store. First, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Settings section. Then click on Payments. In the Payments section, click on Add Payment Method and search for Square. Click on Square to add it as a payment method, and you will be redirected to the Square website to authorize the connection. You will need to log in to your Square account and click on Authorize to grant Shopify access to your Square account. Once you have authorized the connection, you will be redirected back to your Shopify admin panel. In the Payments section, you will see Square listed as a payment method. Click on Edit to configure the Square payment method. You can choose the payment types you want to accept, such as credit card or gift card, and you can also set a payment threshold. To test the integration, go to your Shopify store and add a product to your cart. Proceed to checkout and select Square as the payment method. You will be redirected to the Square payment page to complete the transaction. It is essential to note that you will need to have a compatible location and currency to use Square with Shopify. Additionally, you will need to comply with Square's terms of service and Shopify's terms of service. By following these steps, you can successfully integrate Square payments with Shopify, providing your customers with a seamless and secure checkout experience. This integration can help you to increase sales and improve customer satisfaction.